Mold is a type of fungus that thrives in moist environments, often found in homes with high humidity. Common types include Aspergillus, Penicillium, and Stachybotrys, also known as black mold. Exposure to mold can lead to a variety of health issues, including respiratory problems, allergies, and headaches. Residents in Asheville, North Carolina need to be particularly vigilant due to the humid climate, which creates ideal conditions for mold growth. Identifying mold growth early is crucial for maintaining a healthy home. Key signs include a musty odor, which often indicates hidden mold. Homeowners should also inspect for discoloration on walls or ceilings, which can appear as green, black, or brown spots. Additionally, any visible water damage or leaks should raise alarms, as these create perfect breeding grounds for mold. Recognizing these signs can prevent larger mold infestations. The mold remediation process begins with a thorough inspection and assessment to identify the extent of the issue. Following this, containment measures are implemented to prevent mold spores from spreading. The next step involves the safe removal of all affected materials and thorough cleaning of the area. It is vital to hire certified professionals for this process, as they have the expertise and equipment necessary to ensure effective and safe mold remediation. To prevent future mold growth after remediation, it's essential to maintain proper ventilation throughout your home, ensuring air circulation to reduce moisture buildup. Controlling humidity levels is also vital. Aim for indoor humidity between 30% and 50% using dehumidifiers if necessary. Regular inspections for water leaks, particularly in kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, will help catch potential issues before they escalate, keeping your home mold-free and healthy.